Hello friends, we are in level 2 class 1 in Abacus. Here we are going to see direct addition or subtraction for 2-digit number, okay? Direct means without using any formulas. That means bits will be available in a rod to make addition or subtraction, okay? So no need to apply any formulas, that is direct addition or subtraction. In level 1 we have seen that for single digit number. Here we are going to see for 2-digit number, okay? We will see 4 problems here and these 4 problems for your practice. After completing this video, you can try this using Abacus, okay? From 5 points, this middle point is 1 star, 10 star, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, etc. In 1 star, each value is 1 in lower part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, upper bid is 5. In 10 star, 10, 20, 30, 40, upper bid is 50. 100 star, 100, 200, 300, 400, upper bid is 500. In 1000 star, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, upper bid is 5000, okay? Now let's start first problem. 20 plus 63 plus 11. First we'll move 20. 20 is 2-digit number, right? So take 2 rods, starts from 1 star. 1, 2. So we have to move in this 2 rod, okay? In 20, 0 is in 1's place, 2 is in 10's place. So 0 in 1's means no bit should be added here. It must be in 0 line like this, okay? Next 2 is in 10's place. So move 2 bits in 10's place. We should complete the value in 1 star, right? 2, 0. 20 is added, okay? Next second row plus 63. Here 3 is in 1's place. 6 is in 10's place, right? So move 3 bits in 1's place. Bits are available to add. So add 3 bits here. And move 6 bits in 10's row. Its value is 50, right? So 50, 60. In 10's row, add 6 means 60 is added, okay? So 63 is added. Next third row plus 11. It means we need to add 1 bit in 1's row and 1 bit in 10's row. See here, bits are available to add. So move 1 bit in 1's row and move 1 bit in 10's row. So 11 is added, okay? Sum is completed. Now check the answer. In 10's place, its value is 50. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. In 1's place, 4 bits. So 94 is the answer. Next, before going to any sums, first we should clear all the values. And your kit must be in 0 line like this, okay? Next, we'll move to second sum. 47 plus 51 minus 56. First, we'll move 47. Here, 7 is in 1's place. 5, 6, 7 and 4 is in 10's place. So 47 is added. Next second row plus 51. Here 1 is in 1's place, 5 is in 10's place. So move 5 bit in 10's place and move 1 in 1's place plus 1. So 51 is added. Next third row minus 56. It means we need to remove 56 from this rod, okay? That is remove 6 bits from 1's rod and remove 5 bits from 10's rod, okay? See here in both the rod, bits are available to remove. So do minus 6 in 1's rod, 5, 6. 6 bits removed from the answer point. In 1's rod, minus 6 completed, okay? Next, do minus 5. That is in 10's rod, its value is 50. So minus 56 over. Sum is completed. Now check the answer. In 10's place, 4 bits are there. In 1's place, 2 bits. So 42 is the answer. Next, we will move to third sum. 32 plus 55 minus 61. First, we will move 32. Here, 2 is in 1's place, 3 is in 10's place, right? So move 2 bits in 1's rod and 3 bits in 10's rod. So 32 is added. Next, second row plus 55. If it's not having any symbol, we should consider it as plus sign, okay? So do plus 55, that is add 5 bits in 1's rod and add 5 bits in 10's rod. Do plus 5 in 1's rod and do plus 5 in 10's rod. So 55 is added. Next third row minus 61, that is remove 1 bit from 1's rod and remove 6 bits from 10's rod, okay? So do minus 1 in 1's rod, 1 bit is removed and do minus 6 in 10's rod. 50, 60. So minus 61 completed, okay? Now check the answer. In 10's place, 2 bits are there. In 1's place, 5, 6. So 26 is the answer for third sum. Next we'll move last sum 50 plus 48 minus 80. First 50. 0 means no bit should be added here in ones row. Okay. Next 5 in tens place means 50. So add 50. We should complete the value in ones row. That's very important. That is 50. 50 is added. Next second row plus 48. That is add 8 bits in ones row. Add 4 bits in tens row. In ones row its value is 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is added. Next add 4 in tens row. That is plus 40. 48 is added. When we are having beads in a row, then no need to apply any formula. If beads are not available to add or subtract, only we have to apply formula. Okay. That is small friend, big friend combination formula. So second row completed. Next third row minus 80. Minus 80 means remove 80 from this answer. That is remove 0 from ones row and remove 8 from tens row. Remove 0 means we should not remove anything in ones row. Okay. Next do minus 8 in tens row. 50, 60, 70, 80. Removing 8 bits from tens row minus 80 completed. Okay. Sum is completed. Now check the answer. In tens place 1 bit is there. In ones place 5, 6, 7, 8. So 18 is the answer. So we have completed 4 problems in double digit direct addition or subtraction. And these 4 problems for your practice. Okay. You can try this using Abacus. In next video, we'll see double digit addition or subtraction with formulas. Okay. Thank you friends.